everyone! So we're back for day 3. It's October 22 today. Nandito na naman si Lawrence Contrabida.
Hi!
So we're going to College of Law because today's outfit is the jersey of College of Law. So visit muna tayo after graduation pa ako. I think last ako dyan, graduation pa. So hindi na ako nagpakita sa kanila kasi busy din tayo, nag-work and all. So, today's hairstyle is by Kadia F. Wakino. F ba? So, dito na tayo, Lawrence, sa parking para masaya. So, let's visit our law friends. Actually, may utang pa ako sa kanilang kape. So, maybe today or next year or 2 years from now. Hala, may parking na, girl. Wala pa. So, punta tayo. OMG, malaking flashback to. Hi, pwede maghingi tubig?
Papa! Alipin po!
Nandiyan sila sa loob? Sino nandyan?
Wala pa daw si Sino.
Sino nandyan sa loob?
Hindi ko alam.
Visit muna ako sa loob. Good morning po! Hi! Hello! Andito na tayo guys. After how many months, we're back to College of Law. Order ka na! Sige na, ako magbayad. Tago-tago ka pa. Galit yan sila sa akin. Lalo na to siya, oh, galit yan siya sa akin. Kasi ang kape niya daw mga 6 months na delay. So, ayun guys, yun yung itsura ng sa loob. Nakaka-surprise, but pa-picture muna ako, ha? I'll be back. So, hi vlog, quick lunch out lang with a friend from heaven. Andito na naman si Rain. Wait lang, back camera natin. Ayaw naman niya sumama. Ayan. Hello po. Dito siya kakain kasi busog pa. Ano in-order mo?
Cafe latte.
So, magsusup lang ako as usual. Tapos, siya mag-coffee. Simple, quick lunch lang. Kasi na malapit siya sa Baluarte natin. So, magpapa-lunch tayo. Hindi naman ako nang-profess.
Hindi lang talaga. Like out of nowhere lang.
Doon ang yan.
Hi guys. Welcome to my vlog.
Wag ba, maubo na naman tayo, oh.
Trabaho na naman po. Tingnan mo na ito. Hindi ako marunong ganyan.
Kita mo na sumayo ng Fate of the Field. Yan na, yan na, yan na. Ang galing talaga, basta si Rain Member. Hi! Dito sa lawn tennis. Ano pala ba nito? Ano yung black at pa? Okay! We're here! Ganda! This is day 3. And we're looking at futsal. So, walking sa grandstand. Hi, sir! Hi ka muna, sir. Wala daw sports si sir. Talino lang daw. vlog. We are on day 4 of Wimsu Palaro and it's early in the morning. Papunta tayo sa dance sports. And hi Kuya. Hi Kuya Tong, mag-hi ka muna sa vlog ko. Hi Kuya. The one and only Kuya Tutong. So let's go. Kasama ko si Lawrence today. Again.
Hello.
You already met him. So let's go.
The sun.
Saan tayo? Yes, it's so beautiful. Maagang maaga, maingay na sa
Wala ako
school.
naka-sunscreen. Sige na, let's go.
It's a sin. So we're going to the covered court. I think pop dance na besh. Tapos na si Dandan. Puntahan na lang natin si Aldwin Dandan.
Siguro, di ako sure. Wala akong contact sa tournament director. Punta lang doon.
Let's go. This is how it looks like in the morning. Yan, buti na lang naabutan natin sila. Which is super cool.
We proceed with group number 3.
They're here. So sila na yung next. Pang 4th daw.
Seriously, we're too busy for that.
So, we're here. Say hi.
Hi! Hi lang talaga.
Shy siya. Siya po ang dean ng architecture. Anong feeling niya today?
Excited.
Thank you, Dean. Pakape ka naman.
Ito, kape.
So, hi guys. We left. Nag-video lang kami for our own representative. And nag-pictorial na din dito sa field. This is how it looks like. So, may frisbee. Ano pa dito? Frisbee. I think futsal dito
Futsal.
din. So,
Pati, ano, yung...
anong oras na yun? It's already 8:54 a.m.
Ano, may guwapo dito.
And si Lawrence, mag-duty na siya at 9 a.m. for badminton. Ay naku, ano ba yan? So, we'll be going back to Eduk and inspired talaga tong friend ko na to. Hindi ko maintindihan ba? Kakaloka siya guys. Oh. So wait, habulin natin si Lawrence. Ako siya sa vlog. Sino yan? So, yan. And by the way, thanks to my exclusive tailor, hindi ko sabihin sino, for my jacket. This is the second color. I got 4 colors. So, importanteng may jacket tayo. For those who are asking, saan ko kinuha ang blazer at ano ko, jackets, it's either someone supplies it for me, binibili ko talaga sa kanila, ginagawa nila, and then, mga other brands, not in Zamboanga. So, yun. Sometimes meron dito. But now, we're back at Eduk. Init, grabe. So, I'll be getting back to you guys and breakfast muna ako. Bye! Naman. So, we're off to get breakfast. Mayroon akong wheat bread, pero gusto ko kumain ng rice today.
Ready na ang mga cards ko.
Kasi 4 days na akong hindi nagra-rice.
Violation for misconduct is applied to teams.
Grabe naman.
Yellow card.
So, mainit talaga. Hindi ko alam if decente na yung picture ko kanina na kinuha nitong fairy ano na to. Tingnan nyo guys. Ano ba yan? Inspired talaga siya. Tell us about your, your inspiration. Tinan nyo guys, sumasayaw pa yan siya sa
Huwag
daanan.
naman na akong kuan eh. Masaya lang ako today.
And kaya niyang hindi
Masaya ako
mag-breakfast.
today.
Kaya niyang hindi mag-breakfast this morning just because. So, kumain ng beef loaf. Beef loaf? Bakit?
Beef loaf. Gusto ko yung hilaw, hindi Pilipino.
Pwede, yak. No, yung luto na may egg. So, let's go.
My breadcrumbs.
Oh my God, ang init. Dito na tayo guys sa kantin. Let's eat. I'm back in the office. I have chicken spam, egg, and rice. And a few of chicken fingers. Because I'm so hungry today, which is good. Sarap. Try that. We're buying bananas. Oh, next. So, we're getting tissue as per advice by the OIC mayor. Oo, iniiwan niya nga tayo. O, tinan mo.
Sorry ka.
Shy type siya. So, I'll be going around muna and I'll see you guys later. For the good naman, minsan lang.
For the good plus yung sa kanya nino, di ba?
May ganun tissue. So, we are at the Gatorade section now. Let's get lang niya yan tayo. So, 2. Siya na magbilang.
Thank you, Ma'am Kaye.
Welcome. I know.
Our CNC coordinator.
Minsan lang naman tayo makapag-championship. So, bigay na natin ng todo. Bagal naman. Charot lang. Bagal naman. Ano ba yan? Well, so here you go, volleyball girl. Hindi makabungkulo. Mahiya mo ako sa... So we're arguing ano pa ba pwede para sa volleyball ladies natin. Ang chewing gum daw mabibilaukan yung mga ano. Anong klase tong ano? Food manager?
Habang nag-apply,
Ambot. Ewan ko sa'yo, bes. Toothbrush? So we're getting waffles for our... Ay, hindi kasha. Ano ba yan? We're getting waffles. So we're getting this one. Baka naman, misin. Dalawa? Tawa-tawa siya, oh. Natingnan mo yan. Oh, we're getting 2. So, volleyball team para sa inyo to. Yan. Okay. Na okay na, San? Running. hello vlog! We are back at Wimsu after KCC kasi open pa naman yung building nakita namin ni Bara. So sabi ko, hatid na lang natin sa Wimsu ang goods. So yun, this is a pure donation for our volleyball women who will be doing championship game tomorrow. So sabi ko, ito na lang. Para oo. Ay! My God! That is it guys for CTE pagbabalik vlog. We'll be going home. The drop off ko lang si Miss Bara. And then I'm going home too. So I'll be seeing you probably tomorrow. Bye!
Meron daw siyang napulot. Ano yan?
Lost and found.
Okay.
I think this is for Mom King.
Tapos?
Open it.
Okay, wait. I will open it. Oh my God! No one sees me. Oh, I'm gonna wear this.
Sakto lang yung size.
Thank you, guys. How much is this? Should I pay this?
Di mo.
Wait, thank you. I got my jersey. Ay, grabe din na yun. Oh, thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. I feel so loved. Thank you. Ah, sure. Kumuha ko dalawa. May dalawa na kanina. I have a sandwich. My favorite. Dalawa talaga. Isa lang pwede na.
Dalawa dapat, ma'am. Special po ito, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, we have wheat bread with some spread. Thank you. Thank you. Invader alert.
Nahihiya na talaga ako.
I'm having my late lunch and there's this persona here.
No po. Shout out.
To who?
Sa crush ko. Sa crush din ni Ma'am Kay sa
Meron today birthday ko ba? Thank you. Thank you for my Thank you and thank you din, ma'am. Grabe ka.
I guess this is my only vlog today. This shall serve as my outro. Pero before yan, meet nyo muna si Sheena. Hi! So guys, thank you for watching this vlog. This is the look of the day. I'll be seeing you on the next one. Thank you for watching.